I'm coming. Flower?
Yeah?
Where are you?
Come in.
What do you have? And where's your sister?
At school.
I never see her here anymore. Well, Anthony's never at my house anymore.
Weird.
Ring, 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 ring. That's my phone. Hold on. Wait, yours is ringing too. Hello? Oh my gosh. What did he do? I can't believe he did that. He's in so much trouble when he gets home.
She did what? Okay, I'll be right over. Just gonna grab my shovel.
Anthony did something bad.
Sophia did something bad too.
Well, I know what a pain that will be.
Let's go get him.
You're in so much trouble. Hey, we have to be responsible for them because our parents are in Mexico hanging out together.
Yep. And don't ask why I have a shovel.
Okay. Hey, wait. Remember the robber that robbed us a few years ago?
Yeah.
His house is gone.
Yeah, it is gone.
Yeah, I don't know where it went.
Weird.
Right after we robbed his safe and got our money back, he disappeared. We haven't seen him since.
Yep. Here's the school.
Anthony and Sophia are 6 years old and they're still getting into trouble?
Yep.
And they were only born how many years ago?
Sophia, where are you?
Anthony.
Found them.
You are in so much trouble, Anthony.
You are so in trouble, Sophia.
Come with us.
Remember, when you get home, you get whooped with the shovel.
No. You're getting a spanking, Anthony. No. Marigold, please don't slap me. Don't even try to get yourself out of this, Anthony. You're in big trouble for doing that. Oh, I just walked right past the path.
Sophia, you are in big trouble for hurting someone else just for them calling you a nice word.
I just can't believe you did that, Anthony. I'm gonna spank you now. No, please! No! Come inside right now.
Because it's gonna be with a shut up.
No, please, I don't want to go home. No, I don't want to go inside. Get inside.
Let's go, Sophia. You know the rules.
Here we go.
You get in trouble.
And then I cut.
You know what? This time I'm gonna hit you with the hammer.
No. Flower, what is happening?
Nothing.
Don't ask what I just did to my brother.
And you don't ask what I just did to my sister.
I can still hear him crying. It's so annoying.
They cry in there. Or you'll get it again.
They're so annoying. Hey, where do you want to go? We'll leave them crying.
Wanna go swimming?
Where? The pool or inside the house?
The lake.
Okay, let's go change. Okay, Flower, I'm ready.
So am I.
Let's get going. Should we use our skateboards?
Yeah, duh. How else are we supposed to get there?
Walking?
Yeah. Well, no.
Why not walk?
Because it would be much better to use our skateboards.
Look at this trick. You can do that trick too. And jumping on our skateboards is everything. I can't believe you taught me. I'm glad you taught me that trick.
I honestly forgot where the lake is.
So you just want to go to the pool? It's over here. There's a pool.
That's right. I see the lake is over here.
Oh, this is our. I think I see the camp. I think I see where we had camp before.
Right there.
Remember when those evil people blew up our house?
Yep. We are here.
Do you want to chillax here for a little bit and leave the kids alone?
Yeah.
Ah. Boy. I love this. It's so refreshing.
Yeah.
I said that. Ah.
You okay?
Yeah. What the? How's the fire out? There we go. Oh yeah, there's a cooler here.
Yeah, I just stole someone's names.
Well, too bad. Too sad for them.
Yeah.
Remember when we first met?
Yeah.
That was a fun time, right?